On this video today, I'm going to show you how to make up to $200 per day performing simple tasks on a website that I'm about to show you. This method is easy for beginners, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a method of payment that you want to use to receive your money. So what I recommend is that you search for PayPal. Once you search for PayPal, you can create a free account which you can use to receive payment anytime you perform the task. PayPal is available worldwide with the exception of some few countries. If PayPal is allowed in your country, create your accounts so that you can use it to receive your payment anytime you perform a task. If PayPal is not allowed in your country, what you have to do is that you have to keep on watching so that I will show you a different method that you can use to receive your money anytime you perform a task. Now let's jump into the website so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about the website. The website that will pay you to perform simple tasks is freecast.com. This is a free website where you can perform different tasks to make money. Even if you're a complete beginner, you don't need any skills to make money on this website. You can earn up to $200 or more on this website without investing anything. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to log into my accounts and then show you the amount that I've earned and how you can also make money on this website. So let me click on the sign in. Once you click on it, let me click on sign it with Google. Now let me sign in with my accounts. As you can see right here, this is the amount that I've earned on this website, $216.05. You can see the amount right here. Now there are a lot of different ways that you can earn money on this website. One of the ways is that you can participate in surveys and then earn money anytime you complete a survey. Apart from surveys, when you click on offers, you see other methods that you can use to make money on this website. For example, you can see sign up. There are some websites that you have to sign up. Once you sign up, you are going to be paid. You can see right here game. You can play games and then get paid on this website. Apart from that, you can see apps. There are some apps that when you install on this website, you are going to be paid for installing the apps. You can see quiz. If you participate in quiz, you are going to be paid for taking part. You can see casinos. You can also be paid when you take part. You can see these are some of the payment that you are going to be earning. You can see this particular game right here. When you click on it, you can see earn $23.85. So when you are able to download this app onto your phone and then play the games, you are going to be paid $23.85. You don't need to purchase anything. All that you need to do is that you have to install the app. Once you install it, you are going to be paid. The apps, they are available on desktop, they are available on Apple iOS, they are available on Android. So any of the devices that you are using, you can get offers on this platform to perform so that you can get paid. For example, when you click right here, if you are using an Android, all that you have to do is that you have to deselect all of this, deselect all of this, deselect all of them. Once you deselect all of them, leaving only the Android, all these apps are available on Android, so you can now install them to make money. To install an app, let's take this one for example. You are going to be earning $25.84 when you install this game. So let me click on it for you to see. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So click on earn. Once you click on earn, you are going to see a page like this. You have to scan the code so that you can install the app. Once you install the app, you are going to be paid $25.84. There are many of them, so any device that you are using, you can just come right here. Once you click on it, sort everything based on the device that you are using. So if you want all, you can select all of them. As you can see, that has been done. For example, I am using desktop right now to record, so I'm going to click right here, deselect all of them, leaving only the desktop offers. And you can see the offers that are available on desktop, they have lower payout. You can see this one is 39 cents, you can see 3 cents and the rest. So when you click on it, once you click on it, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, and once you click on it, you have to download the app so that you can get paid. So as you can see, it is opening in a new tab. You can see it has opened a new tab. All that you need to do is that you have to follow the prompt. Just follow the prompt so that you can participate in the survey. Once you take part in the survey, you are going to be paid. Apart from this, there are many others. So just perform any task that you want so that you can get paid. There are many people who are making money on this website. When you click on this person, for example, you can see the fellow is making money from this website. You can see this person is from Germany. You can see the number of tasks that the person completed. You can see it right here. You can see the referral that the person brought to this website. You can see the amount that the person has earned, $2,030.09, and you can see in the last 30 days the fellow has earned $145.84. So it means this person is not always active on the website. If you are active, you can make up to $200 per day. It depends on your location. Some locations, the offers, you can earn up to $200. The amount that you earn per day depends on your location. So if you are from your United Kingdom, United States, Canada, you are going to be earning more money per day on this website. Some of the offers that are available in the United Kingdom, you can get paid up to $200 per one simple task that you perform. For example, I'm going to change my location to the United Kingdom so that I can prove to you that some of the locations, the offers pay high. So now let me refresh so that we can change the location to see how much you are going to be earning per a task that you perform. So let me refresh the page for you to see. As you can see, once I change the location to the United Kingdom, you can see the payout has changed. You can see this offer, for example, if you are able to complete it, you are going to earn $180.66. You can see it right here. You can see this one, you are going to be earning $141.04. So it depends on your location. Some locations, the offers that are available will pay you high. Other locations too, the payout is very low. So it depends on your location. If you are located in the United Kingdom, you can be earning even more than $200 per day on this website. So apart from performing tasks to get paid, you can also refer your friends. So when you click on affiliate, you can be able to refer your friends. Once you refer your friends, anytime they participate in a task, once they earn money, you are going to earn a percentage of their earnings. So you can see a whole lot of different tasks that you can perform. Some locations, you are going to even get more offers that you can promote. You can see once I change it to the United Kingdom, you can see the number of offers that are available now is 541. When you scroll down, you can see the breakdown. They have crypto, they have deposit, they have apps. The apps are 29, and you can see many others. So you can perform as many tasks as you want and then earn money on this website. Now once you earn your money on the website, the next step is that you have to withdraw. But before you are able to withdraw money on this website, what you have to do is that you have to enter your payment method. So for example, just click right here, cash out, so that you can select your payment method. Once you select your payment method, you can get paid on this website. As you can see, this is the minimum withdrawal. You can see it right here. So when you scroll down, these are the methods that you can use to withdraw your money. You can see you can withdraw your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake. You can see Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and then many others. You can see a whole lot of different methods of payment. You can also withdraw your money via gift cards. So you can see they have Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card, Apple gift card, Netflix, Spotify, and the rest. You can see a whole lot of different gift cards that you can use to withdraw your money. You can also withdraw your money via skins. You can see them right here. So if you want, you can withdraw it through any of these methods. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the PayPal to demonstrate for you how you can withdraw your money via PayPal. For example, if your method of payment is PayPal, just click on PayPal. Once you click on it, you have to select the amount that you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw $5, you have to select that. $10, you have to select that. $20, $30. The highest amount that you can withdraw through PayPal is $200. So for example, let's click on $200. Once you click on $200, you can see the $200 right here, and this is the fee that you have to pay. Once you click on $200, you can see the $200 right here, and this is the fee that you have to pay. You have to pay $10 fee for withdrawing $200. The charge is very high, but it is okay. You are going to be paid $180. So if you don't want this method of payment, you can change it. There are many of them. So select the one that is convenient to you so that you can withdraw your money. For example, if you want Bitcoin, just click on it. Once you click on Bitcoin, you can see the charges and you can see the equivalence of Bitcoin. You can see the amount right here. Any of them that you want, you can use. You can see Bitcoin, the fee is very low. You are going to be paying $7.46. Just enter the amount that you want to withdraw here. You can see. So this is the amount that you want to withdraw. Any amount, just enter it here and then click on withdraw so that you can withdraw your money. It is just simple as that. Just join the website, perform the task, so that you can get paid. So everything is simple on this website. Now I'm going to show you the ratings on Trustpilot. When you come on Trustpilot, you can see freecast.com. You can see it has an excellent rating. You can see it right here. So many people are trusting this website. You can see it has a 5-star rating, and you can see the rest are low. So when you scroll down, you read more about what people are saying about the website. You can see a whole lot of different people who are giving their reviews about the product. You can see a great way of making some extra money. You can see the review. When you scroll down, another person is giving it 5-star rating. You can see it is absolutely 100% true. You can see it right here. People are giving positive reviews on this website. That means people are making money on this website. You can see the reviews. You can see a lot of positive reviews about the website. What it means is that it is trustworthy. You can see this is a recent review, and you can see the fellow is giving a 5-star rating. You can see the information right here. So this is a trustworthy website that you can use to make money. You can see a lot of positive reviews. You can see a lot of different positive reviews. You can see a lot of different positive reviews. When you come, you can see the number of reviews that they got, 78,950, and it is getting 4.5. That is an excellent rating. So this is a legit website that you can also create your accounts and then begin to earn money from home without investing anything. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.